This YouTube channel has come up with a winning formula by combining 3 powerful areas. And as the results show, it really works. They've only been around for about a month, but in that short time, they've managed to attract over 1 million to hundreds of thousands of subscribers by posting 1 video a day. Here's the interesting thing. One of their videos, which was released just a day ago, has received over 100,000 views. And even a video uploaded just a few days ago has nearly 7 million views. These statistics aren't a coincidence. There's a smart strategy behind them. By combining interesting content with a fun atmosphere, this channel has created a completely unique style that YouTube's algorithm has fallen in love with. These videos are usually very simple to make. Best of all, they don't take much time to make. You can produce a full video in under an hour using free AI tools. Whether you have a full-time job or are looking to build a sustainable YouTube business, this could be the gold mine you've been looking for. Now, you might be asking yourself, is it really possible to make money from this type of content? In this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. From choosing compelling topics, writing impactful scripts, producing voiceovers using AI, to the end result, just like the professional examples on these channels. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button. It's completely free, but your support will be a strong incentive for me to keep going. Now let's take a quick look at what we're going to build together. Check out this short demo created with this strategy.
Would you sacrifice a memory for 10 million? The button that changed everything. A mysterious ad appeared overnight in a small town. Press the button, receive 10 million but lose a memory. Curious people gathered. Some laughed while others frowned. Intrigued, Jack approached. He had lost his job last month. Bills piled up. This was a chance to escape. Taking a shaky breath, he approached the button. The crowd whispered in anticipation. What memory would you lose? A girl asked. Jack felt tears welling up. He thought of his late mother's smile, his childhood joy. But he pictured his empty bank account. Pressing the button meant freedom. With a heavy heart, Jack swiped his finger. The button lit up. A jolt of energy surged through him. A voice whispered, "What did you lose?" He hesitated, uncertainty creeping in. An image of his mother suddenly flashed before him. A cold realization hit him. He had traded a piece of his heart for cash. The crowd watched him, some with envy, others in horror. Jack walked away richer but emptier, haunted by his loss.
Now it's time to log in to ChatGPT. Take a screenshot of the channel page you're interested in and log in to ChatGPT. Then type this simple sentence: I want to make videos like this channel. The videos you watch are from Reddit stories. Now, as you watch the video titles, come up with 20 great prompts. This is where the magic happens. ChatGPT will generate 20 great and engaging ideas for you in seconds. Each idea is tailored to your channel's style and audience's tastes, meaning you're creating exactly what gets views and your audience is looking for. Not just ideas, but full-fledged prompts for AI-powered visuals, catchy YouTube captions, and even ready-to-voice scripts. This means you have everything you need to create a perfect video in less than a few minutes. No wasted time, no guesswork. Finally, how to create a professional video that the algorithm will love. Well guys, enter the Short AI site. It's exactly what you've been looking for. This site is an artificial intelligence tool that creates professional, viral videos for you without the need for a face, just by giving you a simple text or even a small idea. It creates subtitles, does voiceovers, adds emojis and effects, and you can even export it directly to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram. The interesting thing is that it uses ready-made templates such as Reddit stories, chat-like dialogues, fictitious conversations between 2 characters, even short and creative tutorials, its subtitles, accurate, well-formed, with effects, and even with GIFs. That is, everything is designed to get your videos seen, go viral, and get followers. Now it's time for you to become one of those cool content producers that everyone is talking about. Let's visit the Short AI site and learn together, step by step, how to create a viral video with just a few clicks. Step-by-step tutorial on how to create a video on Short AI. Now that you're logged into the site's dashboard, let's create our first video together. Click on the Create button. From the options, select Reddit Story. This is one of the most popular formats for creating viral videos. Now click on AI Script to have your video's text created with the help of artificial intelligence. Now it's time to enter ChatGPT and enter the prompts you prepared in advance there. In the language section, select the language you want the video to be created in, for example, English. Then in the script length section, specify the length of your desired video. Click on Generate Script to have your text ready and entered into the project. Now click on Custom Script to apply your desired changes to the text. In the Reddit card section, optional, you can upload a photo or add a text, emoji, or description to make it more attractive. Then click Next. In the background style section, choose a background that matches the mood of your story. Click Next again. In the Select Subtitle Template section, choose one of the attractive subtitle styles. This will make a big difference in how your video goes viral. Click Next again. Now it's time for the sound and music. In the voice section, choose one of the ready-made voices, female or male, child or adult, whichever suits the mood of your story. In the music volume section, you can choose a background song and adjust its volume. And finally, click the Generate Video button. And that's it. A few moments later, your video is ready. You can download it or publish it directly to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or wherever you like. Now let's move on to another of the most widely used and amazing templates on this site. Click on the AI Story Video option. Then click on AI Script to have your text generated by artificial intelligence. In the Select Templates section, you will see several ready-made templates. Choose one that matches the mood of your story. Select the language of the video from the Language section. Also specify the approximate duration of the video, for example, 30 seconds, 1 minute, etc. Now click on Generate Script to have the text generated by AI. Then click on Next to enter the next step. At this stage, select the video size. For TikTok or YouTube Shorts, vertical mode 9:16 is usually suitable. Then in the background style section, choose an attractive background that suits your story. Click on Next again. In the Select Subtitle Template section, choose a subtitle style, styles with emoji and highlights that will make your video even more interesting. Click Next again. In the voice section, choose a voice that suits your chosen language, for example, a female, male, child, or robot voice. Then, in the music volume section, choose a background music and adjust its volume. Click Generate Video, and that's it. In just a few minutes, your video will be ready and you can download or publish it. Now, you have created a professional video with just a few clicks.
On a Tuesday morning, the tech department gathered for their weekly meeting. Everyone was ready for serious talk. Only Jerry, the intern, had other ideas. He thought it was a brainstorming session for office pranks. As soon as the meeting started, Jerry slipped a whoopee cushion onto the boss's chair. Everyone knew this would be legendary. The boss shot Jerry a look that could melt steel, but secretly, he had to admire the audacity. For the next topic, they decided to introduce a new project management software. Carla, the tech-savvy one, confidently booted it up. It glitched. "What's happening?" Carl, the serious one, yelled. Unfazed, Jerry leaned over, smirking. "That's the new feline feature. It ensures a perfect workflow." In the chaos, Jim tried to regain control. "Let's focus," he said, thumbs pointed toward his buzzing laptop. But instead it only projected a bright red screen that read, "Conference meeting doomed." The room burst into uncontrollable laughter. The tension melted away. Amid the chaos, the conference call suddenly began. They were joined by an unsuspecting high-level exec. "This isn't a casual Friday," he exclaimed, panic-stricken. But everyone erupted into giggles, and his horrified expression became legend. By the end of the hour, no agenda had been covered, yet it was the best meeting of all time. They vowed to capture this spirit every week. Who knew chaos could spark camaraderie? The meeting ended, sprawling with doomed still flashing on Jim's screen, and laughter ringing in their ears.
Making faceless videos is easier than ever. Basic plan, just $19 per month, perfect for beginners. With 160 credits per month, create up to 40 faceless videos, download videos, add auto captions, and upload directly to TikTok or YouTube. Pro plan, just $30 a month, bestseller. For professional creators with 360 credits per month, you get access to advanced plus basic audio, produce up to 90 videos, upload files up to 300 megabytes, and double the quality. Thanks for sticking with me until the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and good luck with the next video.